with Charm Grammy Crochet, and welcome to the yarn room today. As promised, I'm going to try to film in here because I know everybody likes to see the yarn in the background. I'm not as good as Nancy from She's Got Yarn, who changes her yarn based on season or color preference. I'm not doing that. More power to her. I love her for that, but I'm not doing that. If my yarn changes, it's because stuff avalanched on me again. So knock on wood that never happens. But I'll change the way I sit in the yarn room. I can do that for you. So anyway, today I'm actually filming this on New Year's Day, but you'll be seeing it on the 2nd because I put up a video on New Year's Day already, and I don't want to overwhelm you with too much in one day, but I didn't know how long it was going to take me to get this video together. So first of all, Happy New Year. Welcome to the yarn room, and we're going to start off the new year with giveaways. I have giveaways to give away. So we're going to start with the Ugly Christmas sweater. Hashtag Ugly Christmas 2022. This was my Ugly Christmas sweater that was, the yarn was sponsored by Hobie. And I used the Horizon cardigan sweater pattern that was free on the Hobie website. Don't get stuck. It's the one thing about yarn. It's got strings that like to get stuck on things. I love the sweater. I thought maybe it would really be ugly because of all the colors. You know, like too much, too gaudy. But when I put it with a solid outfit, I think it looked really good. I never really wanted it to be ugly, but when I saw how like my first start of the square was turning out with so many colors, and not anything matches, and it's like a scrappy looking kind of ordeal here. I thought, oh God, this thing is going to be horrible looking. Of course, you got to be careful what you wear it with. I love the pattern. I love the yarn. And I loved wearing it. It was a fast make, I think. I think it was a pretty fast make. And I will wear it at Christmas time again and again. And it can go with lots of different Christmas colors, you know, if you just got to go solid with it, I think. Otherwise, it's way too much. But I loved it. And I mostly loved seeing everyone's entries. So we're going to start with that. And in that, I put all the names in my Mally's candy box. And they're all in here. And we're just going to randomly pull one out. And the winner is Lucretia Ackley. I don't know if you can see that because it is written in pencil. Lucretia, you are the winner of a $50 gift card. Because that's what the prize was for this particular winnings. So congratulations to you. You will need to email me with an email address that I can send and where you want the gift card from. It will be an e-gift card. So I guess it could be, I know Premier, or was it Hirschner's? I called them and they were able to send a physical gift card to someone, but it's $50 US. But I can send it anywhere where I can send it. E-format or maybe a hard card, but I would go with e-format first. It'll get it fastest, and that would probably be the easiest. So let me know where you want it from, and you'll have to email me. Email's in the description box below, so congratulations on that. I also, I did a Cal all year, except I didn't participate in the last one, and I really didn't advertise it a whole bunch. And I think at one point I said I wasn't even going to include it, but we did have 3 people that entered. in the hashtag crochet calendar 2022, crochet calendar 2022. I did have 3 people enter that, and they did a fabulous job. Judy with Witch Piece Craft made a bag. Julie Armstrong made a bag, and Barbara McCleary made bags. They were beautiful. And I am just so thrilled that you guys did that. So I want to do something for you. So I said, you know, you guys participated. You deserve a prize. So I put your 3 names on a piece of paper, and I'm going to empty this. Hold on just one second. Okay, here we go. Names in the box. And you will be winning a $25 e-gift card. And the winner is Barbara McCleary. All right, Barbara. I think I've e-gift carded you before, maybe not, but you'll still need to follow the procedure, because that way I know I'm going to the right place. And what you got to tell me where you want it from. Email me, $25 gift card, Amazon, Hirsch, wherever, Joanne Fabrics, or Joann's or Michael's, or someplace local. You know, if you have a local yarn shop you like to go to, whatever you want. So that's prize number 2 for today. I gotta write these down. I'm going to forget. God forbid. You know me. Wait. You know what? I'm gonna write it on the back of the script. Okay. Winner. $50. Lucretia. $25. Winner. Barbara. And finally, the final winner that we're going to pick, and they are winning, the final winner is winning a copy of the Sophie's Universe book, and that will be sent through Amazon. So you will need to contact me with your information from Amazon, you know, so I can have Amazon send it to you. So I'll need your address. And I did put a URL in and do that, and that's videoed. And that winner, I know who it is, has already been picked and will be in the video after this right now. So that's what's happening with that. And congratulations to all 3 winners. I'm going to tell you that the 3rd winner is Mary. Your name is Mary. So go look and see who you are. And after that video of the drawing for the Sophie's Universe book, I will have pictures of the 3 bags that were entered for the crochet calendar cal, and the last pictures that were sent to me or put on my Facebook page for the ugly Christmas sweater. So everybody's stuff should have been shown throughout the time period. This is now a new year. We got to do new prizes, new things to win. I think for the most part, prizes are going to be gift cards. It's easy for me, and it gives you the choice of what you want. And I think that a lot of people like that. When I've asked, people say gift card. Do you prefer a gift card? So you can pick out your own yarn or whatever it is that you need or want. So I think pretty much that's going to be what you're winning from this channel. Even though it's fun to get yarn in the mail, it's fun to get it if you order it yourself too, right? So there's that. Let's see, what else? Today starts the chunky crochet color. I know in the last video I kept calling it, I did again, crochet color. It's not a crochet, it's a knit. Today starts that, so I'm going to work on that. I am going to see about getting the tile done for Tile of the Week. That's also another good thing to win is books, you know, from like Amazon as prizes. I like that idea as well. So we got, and I'm going to use one of these yarns behind me. I think I'm going to go with the neutral one. Remember I talked about it in the last video. Let's see, it's or the orangey one. I'm going to do this one. I know it's only a 5 weight, but the weight difference isn't that big, and I think this yarn will be easier for me to knit with. So I'm going to start that hopefully today. I have a couple days to get that tile done for Tile of the Week for Thursday, which I also want to participate in this week anyway. And I am working on a special project with Hobie, and I'm trying to design something. I have 2 weeks to get it together. So wish me luck with that. I wish that I could say, this is what I'm going to do, and this is the problems that I'm having, and have you guys help me out. But I don't think that's going to fall into the guidelines of the collaboration. Did I say that word right? Collaboration. I think so. So I'm a little disappointed with that because I really need help. But I think it's going to be great when it's done. So that's something to look forward to. Is a new project with Hobie. So we'll see if I can perfect it by the time that starts. Cross your fingers for me, but say a little prayer and wish me good luck with that, because I think it could be fun for everybody in the long run. Okay, so that's what we have. Starting this, watch the videos at the end and see all the beautiful bags and sweaters. Congratulations to the winners. What a great way to start off a new year is with prize winnings. I like it. I like it. Over the weekend, I will be in Florida with Nancy, and I think we're going to do a live 2-year anniversary celebration at her channel. So that's going to be so fun. And we're going to deliver the Boggy Creek blankets this weekend. Lots to look forward to. I got to pack some clothes and stuff. Yay, it's going to be so fun. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Liking, subscribing, all of those wonderful things. And I will see you in the next video. It'll be, I don't know when. Maybe tomorrow, maybe not. I have things coming up. So, I'll see you.